Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will make a presentation of the importance of transistor in amplifying devices. So what do we learn? We will see the introduction, construction, diagram and conclusion about the transistor. So for our introduction is transistor is one of our humanity greatest invention because these small devices, electronic components create many benefits from it. Before the creation of this transistor, we will use the vacuum tube, but it's not really reliable than the transistor because the transistor has smaller size, low power consumption, and higher reliability. And after that, transistor has many benefits from it. As you can see, it can react as a switch, amplifier devices, power regulator, and controller integrated circuit, and also microprocessor. And after that, there are many types of amplifying devices. As you know that it can react as the audio amplifier, voltage amplifier, power amplifier, and so on. So for the types of transistor that we can see that it also has BJT and FET. BJT stands for bipolar junction transistor and FET is field effect transistor. So this is the technologies that we use for the amplifying devices. As I said before, this is the BJT diagram and this is the FET diagram. So for our research that for amplifying devices is use common emitter and common source for the FET and common emitter for the BJT because common emitter and common source gives high voltage gain and low noise, wide bandwidth, and high output and input impedance. We need the low noise because we don't need to interruption from our audio devices. So next, for the size of it. So as you can see, the size of the component that we use for amplifying devices is T0220. T0220. The size is like 50.9 millimeter times 10.2 millimeter and 4.8 millimeter. So next, go to the TO247. So for TO247, this is the FET amplifying devices that use in most of the audio amplifier. Then we go next to the diagram. So for this diagram, it was see that this is the audio amplifier diagram that normally used. As you can see, there is a speaker that show us that this is the, the circuit they use audio amplifier. And as we can see, this circuit was using the common emitter. Like I said, common emitter give us the higher voltage gain, low noise, and wider bandwidth. So if the bandwidth is become wider, then the information from that can be put into the big wider bandwidth. So for our conclusion that transistors such as BJTs and FETs enhance audio signals, enabling clear sound, efficient power usage, and minimal distortion, leading to better audio system and communication devices. So that's all for me. Thank you.